Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Monday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As you know, every Monday morning we're filming here for the PANATTONI Cafe. And this is quite a special Monday because, as you know, every year around this time, MIPIM takes place, which is biggest real estate fair in Europe, and it takes place down in Cannes. So we have the hard job of spending a week in Cannes and meeting all of our clients. Of course, Panattoni the team will be there, and they have a great, couple great events going on, and and they're going to be down there. So if you're looking for anything to do in the industrial sector, probably stop by and say hi to them. We also have our magazines going down, which you've probably seen pictures of already. We have our Europa Property Ultimate Real Estate Guides down in Cannes. So you should be able to pick one up at the hotel or at the fair. We've got them at all the hotels, the fairs, and our stand. We have a big cocktail party on Wednesday, which is the second day, March 15th at 3 o'clock. So keep that in mind. And our stand is P-1, which is just downstairs, and it's H75. So we've already got 50 confirmations for this
Yeah, it should be a
cocktail
good
party.
do.
So I'm not sure where we're going to put them all on our 20 square meter stand, but please come join us. We got great wines, great food, a lot of interesting people, big names in the business there, already confirmed to pop by. So come early, make sure you get a wine and get a bit of snacks, and you'll meet some of the biggest movers and shakers in Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe joining us. We also have our SEE Awards, which I think the short list, did that go out last night?
That went out yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. The short list, all the shortlisted companies for our Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards went out last night, or went out yesterday, and it's up on our website, seerealestateawards.com. Looked like record number of nominations and projects.
Yeah, we had over like 400 nominations, so we whittled that down with the short list now. So the
399.
best of the
Yeah,
best,
the best of the best are on there.
and yeah, it's going to be a good competition.
Yeah, I looked at the list and some bbig projects, and especially on the future projects. The future of that region is bright, I would say.
Yeah, it does look very bright.
Yeah. We want you all to come to our besides our cocktail party in MIPIM, but come to the SEE Awards in Romania, April 6th at the Radisson Hotel. Great event, almost sold out. We got a lot of if you're going to buy your corporate table, buy it now because with the short list out, tickets go fast, and definitely after MIPIM, they'll be gone. So book them quick. Or at least the corporate tables. We can always squeeze in a couple of single tickets somewhere. Great conference also planned. A lot on the region for office, for residential, for a lot of residential happening, and also retail. Amazing number of retail parks going up. Yeah,
an awful lot of retail park
Yeah,
development, especially in Romania.
yeah. Lots going on there. So a lot happening with the SCE Awards, and then of course in May we've got our awards. We've got our CEO Awards in at the Hilton in Belgrade. We also have our retail Marketplace-CEE and SEE in Prague on May 18th, and then May 25th. Our Baltic Awards here in Poland at the in SOPOT at the also at the Radisson Hotel. So a lot going on there. Also, if you're going to MIPIM, most important thing is there's two projects from Poland. Vote on those two. One is a Panattoni warehouse project, and the other is Norben Fabriczna Norblina, which is just an amazing place here in Warsaw, kind of multi-use lifestyle place. I saw they were up for an award, so vote for those two. Those are the only two projects in the whole region up for awards this year. So anyway, take the few minutes. There's always some nice girls at the entrance of the MIPIM Fair, and to take your votes. So having said that, we'll take a little break, and we will come right back with Winston Norman in the news. So, welcome back. And yeah, Winston, welcome. Good to see you this Monday morning.
Yeah, nice to see you, Craig, and you're ready for action, I see.
I am can ready. I've got my sunscreen and speedos and everything that we need for can.
It's a bit too much information. Hopefully, you won't need the speedos.
Hopefully, for everyone else, I won't need them. Probably they'll be clean when I'm packing the suitcase coming back.
So here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today, and we'll start in Poland. And a new investor has entered Poland into the office market in Wrocław, and this is United Benefits Holding, which is an Austrian enterprise, and they've entered Wrocław by acquiring the 16,000 square meter Silver Forum building, which was developed in 2007, and the company plans to optimize this building with focus on ESG standards and leveraging the property's value add potential. So this is a very popular segment in the secondary markets in Poland, and so yeah, now we have a new investor and potential interest there for the investment awards coming up in October, I would imagine. And according to Michal Clement, he's the CEO of United Benefit Holdings. He says Wrocław is the third largest city in Poland, and Poland is the country with the lowest recession rate in the EU. This is another factor that persuaded us to enter this market over the long term. And with its subsidiary investor, United Benefits, as project developer, the group aims to develop the property with the view to fulfilling sustainability requirements so the group can reposition it on the market.
Wow, excellent. Well, it's good. Always good to hear we have another investor in the region.
Yeah, it's investors still interested in Poland and still entering Poland, and probably hear more from them in the future.
Yeah, yeah.
Moving to the retail and residential sector, and Trey has presented its financials for 2022, and they report that in spite of a difficult year for many, especially development countries, companies in many countries, they've continued to successfully develop their business activities, and they're expanding. And their pipeline grew from 1.7 billion euros at the end of 2021 to 2 billion euros by the end of December 2022. And that's an 18% growth, so pretty good year for them.
Doesn't sound like they're doing that bad in
Doesn't sound that bad at all.
Terrible situation.
I mean, they've got some resilient sectors which they invest in, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. But the total breaks down into 1.8 billion euros in residential property and 2 million euros in retail property developments. And according to Pejin Mauritius, he's the CEO of Trade Real Estate. He says 2022 was defined by growing construction costs and rising levels of interest in all the markets in which we are active. Development activities in general experienced a significant decline, especially as far as launch of new projects goes. In 2022, we decided to streamline our portfolio and to focus more strongly on our core competencies. As a result, we disposed of 7 German retail properties. And in early 2023, our entire Portugal portfolio, which consisted of 49 retail properties. The sale of our Czech and Slovakian portfolios is also foreseen in 2023, and going forward, they will concentrate on development activities in Germany, Poland, and the United States. And that's predominantly in residential and retail parks.
Well, I'm happy they decided to stay in Poland, and clearly it's a good sign for Poland.
Big plans for Poland. They're doing an awful lot here. And moving to Southeastern Europe, and Sona Sierra is to manage the Pristina Mall. And they're responsible for managing, this is the largest shopping center in Southeastern Europe, and it's going to open imminently. And it's got 115,000 square meters of GLA. And it's going to serve the whole Balkan area.
Okay.
And
that is big.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, you don't. I mean, it's a big shopping center, so it's got a lot of people to cater for. But these days you don't experience so many big shopping centers coming online. So this is a substantial development, and it's got an occupancy rate of 81% at the moment.
Very nice.
So it's nearly almost there. And according to Cristina Santos, she's the executive director of property management at Sona Sierra. She says, our intervention in Pristina Mall is a success story due to the size and speed of the result achieved for this asset. And so we're looking forward to that, and it's going to open very soon.
Right. Well, they're always cutting edge, and they won a couple of awards at our event. Balmain, Sona Sierra, Balmain.
Very, very good property managers.
Yeah, excellent. All right. So is that all we have for today?
Those are the highlights for today, yeah.
All right. So thank you very much for everyone for watching the Coffee with Craig show here at the PANATTONI Cafe. We're going to take a little break now and have a few cakes, I think, from this place. Looks great. We saw they're preparing some nice foods. So again, we're here at the Panattoni Cafe in Warsaw, and definitely drop by and check it out. They got an extra little room if you want to do events here or small conferences as well. And the staff here is very nice as well. So we'll be filming this week from Cannes. We have a lot of interviews, a lot of exciting things happening. If you're down in Cannes and you want to be part of the Coffee with Craig show, or you just want to come by and say hi to us at the stand or pick up a magazine, please do so. We got our whole team down there, a lot of them from Poland, from Serbia, from Romania, from Hungary. Everyone's coming down, so we hope to see everybody there. And we will see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.